I'm very happy with the conference because the main goal to connect the people, to share knowledge is absolutely fulfilled.
Don't be afraid to experiment and change very quickly. Be prepared to fail. Be prepared to stop doing something that isn't working.
Robots will appear in our daily environment.
Digitalization brings more transparency every day.
Boom! Roland, Emmerich is here, please!
I think the magic really happens when man and machine collaborate.
Create your own news.
The human mind is more interesting and powerful than people think it is.
If you crack the brain code, the world will look entirely different.
And so how do you get the creativity of the human to work with the complexity of technology? The person who does that wins.
Get into the ring, be happy to fight, love what you do, and take the flame for others to follow.
To make successful content, you need creativity, great ideas, and great talents in front of the camera.
We kind of said the people have to create their own content.
We need to focus on content and focus on storytelling.
Well, the most important point for good investigative journalism is the enthusiasm and the engagement, the commitment of the people.
Nobody knows what the future will be, but I believe in people.
The one thing I would like to tell the whole company is learn every day. That's it.